Welcome to Do Prime's tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through depositing funds using cryptocurrency in your client area. First, navigate to the Funds tab located on the left-hand side menu. In the Deposit Funds section, you will find various payment methods. Select cryptocurrencies to make a crypto deposit. You have the option to deposit using multiple cryptocurrencies. Select your preferred cryptocurrency, enter the amount you wish to deposit, and click Continue to review and confirm the transaction details. Upon confirming the details, you will receive a deposit summary and an invoice for your payment. Congratulations, you have successfully deposited cryptocurrency into your Do Prime account. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to explore your client area to discover more features.